Hello, welcome to Code Genius. Today I'm going to show you how we can directly um, demonstrate our creation or website or web pages directly right from our computer screen. We are using Visual Code Editor, and this is the graphical user interface of Code Editor. And to get live server to have a demonstration directly from our computer desktop, what we can do, we can just come here and click on extension. The shortcut is Ctrl plus Shift plus X, or what you can do, just click here and just right here, if you don't find it, live server. Okay, it's not showing, or you can write live server. Yes, and it will show you up this and this one. Right, what you can do, take live server 5.6.1 launch development. Okay, retweak the install, and it's being installed. Usually it takes a couple of seconds. So if you don't want, just uninstall and it will be uninstalled. I think it is already installed. And just now what we can do, just right button click, and here you will find open with live server. Click here, boom. That's so amazing, so easy, and time saving. You don't need to go and click to the file and click on the folder, click on the file again, or double click, whatever, to just see the output. So from now on, what we can do, whatever code we write on text editor, code editor, code VS or Visual Studio, whatever, just right button click. After every time you write code and save it, just right button click and click on open with live server. Amazing, right? So thank you very much, those who are using different code editors. For your kind information, if you just switch to code editor to Visual Studio, okay, Visual Studio Code, definitely you are going to save a lot of time and you will love it. Thank you. See you in the next session.